remembering Sumila Ronghangpi and Namrata Engtipi. When will Assam's tribal girls will find true justice?
Kacing hon kalitang Sumila Ronghangpi pan Nogong district rahat along ilituma Engtipi pan kuano nang kacenek pi lasi ilitum ning si vetpen cingrup petpen cesong lagi justice long lete itum sang ne lasi we want justice, we want justice.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी महिला मोर्चा আহিনten kacun इंग्रेजी bang ke lapulo de alangli poson men sikit phoma halo sobangke inquiry pame nangji lapen ke la sobangke justice long nangbo.
The tragic cases of Sumila Ronghangpi and Namrata Engtipi highlight the vulnerability of tribal girls in Assam. Sumila, a 12-year-old Karbi tribal girl, was brutally murdered in 2021, allegedly by her employers. Despite protests and arrests, justice remains elusive. Similarly, Namrata Engtipi, a young Karbi girl, was found murdered in July 2025, and her family and student groups are still demanding justice. These cases expose the deep-seated issues faced by tribal communities in Assam, including land alienation, poverty, and lack of access to education and healthcare. The state government's response to these issues has been inadequate, leading to growing discontent among tribal communities. The demand for justice for Sumila and Namrata is not just about punishing the perpetrators, but also about addressing the systemic issue that lead to such crimes. The cases highlights the need for urgent action to protect tribal girls and ensure their rights are respected. The people of Assam are demanding justice and protection, emphasizing the need for accountability and transparency in the investigation and prosecution of such cases. Civil society organizations and community leaders are calling for a concerted effort to address the root causes of these crimes and ensure that tribal communities are not marginalized further. The government must take immediate action to address this issue and ensure that justice is delivered. This includes providing support to the families of the victims, ensuring access to education and healthcare for tribal communities, and taking steps to address the systemic issue that lead to such crimes. Only then can the people of Assam be assured that their voices are heard and their rights are protected.